Welcome to this spacious end-unit villa featuring 3 beds, 3 full baths, and serene lake views. Boasting 1,347 square feet of living space with vaulted ceilings, staggered ceramic tile floors, and filled with natural Florida sunshine. You'll fall in love with the lake views throughout. Double sliding glass doors lead to the Florida room, offering the ideal lookout to enjoy nature with a good book and enjoying evening cocktails during the sunset. The rear pavered patio is the perfect spot for summer barbecues and breathing in the Florida fresh air. The kitchen includes white matching appliances and eat-in bar. Two master suites, each with ensuite bathrooms and each with beautiful lake views. Located close to shopping, dining, and the brand new AdventHealth Apopka Hospital. A short drive to State Road 429, providing a direct drive to Disney area attractions, downtown Orlando, and everything that Central Florida has to offer. Call now to schedule your showing.